Hey fellas, well I'm up here at Oglesby, Illinois. It's north of Bloomington. At the Loves. It's at exit 57 on I-39. I just got fuel. I'm 600 miles away from Detroit Lakes. Went inside, took a shower, rubbed one out. Feel like a new man. I got 7 hours and 21 minutes to drive with. So I'll probably do about 400 miles, I guess, out of the 600. Figured I'd go ahead and get fuel here. So I'm thinking when I go up there, I'm gonna try to fuel here again on the way back down to South Carolina. Hope you guys are doing all right. You guys are waking up. It's 10:30. Right now it's 26 degrees here. When I woke up in Indiana, in Whiteland, I think it was like 36 or so, maybe somewhere around in there. So yeah, I lost 10 degrees today coming up north. So by the time I get up into Wisconsin, Minnesota, I'll probably lose another 5 degrees. The way things are looking. I was talking to Howie. I'll be calling him in a little bit after I get done. And I was talking to my oldest. I was talking to Enos. He made himself some chicken breast and some green beans. He's on keto. He's been doing keto for over a week now. He's trying to lose some weight. And he's doing really good. He's doing really good. Staying away from all the chips and pizzas and sugary drinks and stuff like that. Proud of him. I'll have to get a new can. Let's see, yesterday was the first day that Jesse's working midnights there at the Waffle House. I want to call him, see how he's doing, see how his night went. He's used to it or what have you. The schedule is from 9 at night to 7 a.m. Things are looking up. Well, I just wanted to check in, tell you where I'm at. I'll load another vlog up tomorrow morning. wherever I shut down at. I got Sam, my daughter Sam. I got her some of those, a couple pajama outfits. Like, they're like really soft and stuff. She likes them. She's been wearing them. I gave her those Christmas presents Sunday night when we got done with the Golden Corral. And I also got her a juggling kit, I guess. Comes with a book and 3 juggling balls and 3 of those scarves. So spend her free time, learn how to juggle. She hasn't given me any kind of report yet, on that, but hopefully she's doing good with it. Went in, after I took a shower, I filled up my drinks. Now I'm pretty much ready to go. It's a beautiful day out. I mean, see, nice blue sky, a little bit of cloud over there, but pretty much sun's out. It's just 26. So well, go ahead and get on off here. Hurry up, get 7 hours over with, and then shut down for the evening. All right, fellas. I got shit to do. Bye.